Hello everyone, my name is Igor Cemercic and I'm a first year student of Master Studies, Department of Forestry, University of East Sarajevo. My topic is Geographic Information System in Environmental Protection. So let's start. Importance of ecosystem. First of all, we need to understand that human existence is quite impossible without a presence of a healthy ecosystem. Our environment comprises all living and non-living components and their interactions with a natural habit. So what's the environmental protection and what are the goals? Uh, the fundamental goal of environmental research is to understand and solve environmental problems, focusing on how humans use natural resources and how humans' activities change the environment. So, environmental protection is the practice of protecting the natural environment by individuals, organizations, and governments, and goals would be to conserve natural resources in the existing natural environment and where possible to repair uh, damage and reverse trends. So let's say about methods. One of the methods is in pro- one of the methods in protecting environment is geospatial technology. It's a term what we use to describe the range of modern tools contributing the geographic mapping and analyzing of the Earth and human societies. It is an emerging field of study that allows us to make informed decisions based on the importance and priority of resources, most of which are limited in nature. For example, in agricultural mapping, geospatial technology help in creating dynamic and competitive agriculture which is protective of the environment and capable of providing excellent nutrition to the people. In geospatial technology, uh, are includes remote sensing, global positioning system, and geographic information system. Each of these technologies use satellites in its own way. So what are the benefits of satellite detection? With satellite detection, we can measure changes in nature using different measurements and records such as water and air pollution, damage that occurred with natural and social causes, global change of the atmosphere, devastation of the environment, and others. So, what is geographic information system? But first, to say what is information system. It's an integrated set of components for collecting, storing, and processing data and for providing information, knowledge, and digital products. Information systems have a few components, and these are human, hardware, software, data, network. And when we put this together, we get information system. So let's see what is geographic information system. It is a powerful tool for environmental data analysis and planning. A geographic information system stores spatial information, which is data, in a digital mapping environment. Uh, Digital base map can be overlaid with the data or other layers of information onto a map in order to view spatial information and relationships. Geographic information system allows us better viewing and understanding physical features and the relationships that influence in a given critical environment condition. Factors such as steepness of slopes, aspects, and vegetation can be viewed and overlaid to determine various environmental parameters and impact analysis. So, for example, natural inputs in farming cannot be controlled, but they can be better understood and managed with the geographic information system applications. It's become a universal tool for whole analysis of geological, geomorphological, and ecological studies of the environment. As I said, it can provide us better view for monitoring, analysis, and planning. To conduct a land resources inventory map, we need several information, such as base map, aerial photos, topography, plant communities and wildlife, soils, water features, uh, floodplains, natural areas or open space, and other community-specific information. Most of this core information is available statewide for free or at low cost. So let's see like final product of geographic information system work. Here I took air for example. Air quality is important to our health and environment, but sources of contamination are often difficult to monitor. Geographic information system technology manages statistical and spatial data to provide a tool that shows the relationship between poor air quality and occurrences of deficient human and environmental health. In this way, a geographic information system aids in monitoring pollutant emissions. The uh, Protection Agency, Environmental Protection Agency, uh, implemented the Clean Air Act to protect our environment from the harmful effects of pollution. A geographic information system can be used to track the Environmental Protection Agency regulated pollutant emissions by outlining the effects of ozone, smog, dust, and other harmful airborne pollutants on plant and human life. By monitoring those relationships, geographic information system becomes a tool that conservationists can use to ensure that no further pollutants occurs. Geographic information system technology allows us to locate where pollutants are coming from and monitor those areas for change to conserve uh, uh, the air quality. And as I said, here is an example of air quality. Final map. We got this based on available data. Spatial data analysis was performed to analyze the effect of traffic load on roads and streets, demographic data, chimneys of individual users, and special buildings such as hospitals, schools, and so on. And basically, as I said, this is how it looks like, final map after monitoring in some period of time. And after we do analysis of this product, we can plan the actions that need to be taken to conserve air quality. So let's see example of GIS work in agriculture. Geographic Information System is a widely used tool with significant relevance for farmers and the agriculture industry. The technology has many cost savings and productivity advantages for farmers as well as benefits for the community and the environment. So let's see a bit more specific example of applying geospatial technology and GIS in agriculture. When we do fertilizing crops, machine sensors gathered information about the crops, and the GPS records the exact position it is applied on the field. Then we use a geographic information system to analyze it and make decisions where to do application of fertilizer, which will be only on the areas where it is needed, and this can uh, vary the rate of application to target nutrient deficient sites. Uh, this saves money on fertilizer product as well as the environment from over application and runoff into local streams and rivers. So, conclusion. One of the most important concern for all of us today is protecting uh, the environment we live and breathe in. Climate change issues are creating havoc with erratic weather patterns affecting everything from crop production to untimely melting of ice glaciers. There is a lot to worry about, and immediate action is definitely required. It's not that the world has not geared up to take corrective actions, but we need to do more, and Geographic Information System can help us to achieve that. The use of new technologies such as GIS can help us to better protect the environment, manage space effectively, get better crop yields, what implicate better final products in general, and so on. So, Geographic Information System lead us to more stable development. With managing and monitoring what is enabled by Geographic Information System, we get results and better understanding of informations. By analyzing them, it enables us to make a good plan what corrective actions to take to conserve environment. This is why Geographic Information System is an essential link in environmental sustainability. To get better results, we should build in partnerships to work on increasing capabilities of Geographic Information System, what will provide us to solve more complex problems in agriculture, forestry, and so on. In this regard, I would say we need more such a subject in the curricula of our universities. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoyed in my presentation.